Hello students. In this video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of trigonometry. Today, we'll explore how to find and remember those important trigonometric ratios that help us solve so many math problems. So, what exactly are trigonometric values? These are special ratios that are related to the angles in a right-angled triangle. They help us understand the relationships between the sides of the triangle. You've probably heard of the big ones like sine, cosine, and tangent. Now, let's talk about how to remember the trigonometric table. At the top, write down these angles: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. These are the angles you'll use most often, and they're the key to everything. Step 2. Fill in the values for sine, sin. In the next row, we'll fill in the sine values. It's easy once you remember them. Sine 0 degrees is 0, sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2, sine 45 degrees is 1 by square root 2, sine 60 degrees is square root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degrees is 1. Step 3. Now let's fill in the cosine, cos, values. Here's a trick. The cosine row is just the sine values, but in reverse order. Cos 0 degrees is 1, cos 30 degrees is square root 3 by 2, cos 45 degrees is 1 by square root 2, cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2, and cos 90 degrees is 0. Step 4. Moving on to tangent, tan, values. Now, you just use this formula: tan x equals sine x by cos x, tan 30 degrees equals sine 30 degrees by cos 30 degrees equals 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, which simplifies to 1 by root 3. Do that for each angle, and you've got your tangent values. Step 5. For cotangent, cot, just remember, cot x equals 1 by tan x. Step 6. Now for cosecant, cosec. Cosecant is simply the reciprocal of sine. Cosec x equals 1 by sine x. For example, cosec 30 degrees is 2, since 1 divided by 1 by 2 equals 2. Step 7. Finally, there's secant, sec. This one is the reciprocal of cosine. Sec x equals 1 by cos x. And just like that, you've built your very own trigonometric table. Let's also go over a quick example. Say you're trying to solve sine 90 degrees plus cos 30 degrees. All you need to do is substitute the values. Sine 90 degrees is 1, and cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. So, the answer is 1 plus root 3 by 2. Now, here's a question for you. What is the value of sin 30 degrees? Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for all classes is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.